Alright, welcome back. So, as you saw me do in the previous video, I pressed this button and I thought I should pull on something, but no, you don't need to. It just opens all by itself. Look at that, look at that. And I'm guessing, but I'm not sure, that you stick one of these things in there, and then you do that, and you put the cable in there, turn it on, and you're probably done. What does it say up here? Automatic mode and manual mode. I'm not sure what that means, but hey, we will eventually. Anyway, thanks for watching this ridiculous unboxing, and again, if you don't get my jokes, that's the beauty of YouTube and Google. You can just Google it. Or you could ask your best friend, Cortana, okay Google, Alexa, I don't know, Siri. Siri's kind of dangerous. I don't know. Thanks for watching. See you all.
Likey.